As both our best-selling and lowest-priced full furniture kit, the Drifter features everything you need to make your self-build dream a reality. A strong, light and versatile bed doubles up as a bench seat and L-shaped sofa, while a 7cm extender section gives you the option of a bigger bed. The C5 kitchen unit provides ventilated space for a portable stove and fridge, a cutlery drawer and even a fold-out workspace. Finally, the Drifter comes in a choice of long or short wheelbase side units, each with a handy pop-up table. Like all of our kits, the Drifter is strong, lightweight, versatile, and designed to work perfectly together. It's also extremely fast and simple to assemble. All you need is a few hours, some wood glue, and a screwdriver. And remember, if you don't love it, we'll collect it and give you your money back.